How to fix WhatsApp app stuck on deleting while deleting the WhatsApp status problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and search for WhatsApp just to make sure you have an updated version of the WhatsApp application. So as you can see on the screen, there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of WhatsApp application. So simply, we can go back and launch the settings application on your device. So as you do that, scroll down and tap on Apps. Select on Manage Apps and simply search for WhatsApp over here on the search bar. So as you search for the WhatsApp application, you can see the app pop up at the bottom. So simply you can wait for a few seconds and the app will pop up. Here, what you simply need to do is tap on Clear Data and then clear the cache and tap on OK. As you do that, you can just relaunch WhatsApp application and that might help you fix the issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.